Hi, good evening. It is the time for sunset and to dim the light, and also we should not expose ourselves to the light. We have to sleep in the darkness. The body needs 8 hours of dark so that it will regulate. It is the regulation of the biological clock which we did since the sunshine this morning. The biological clock, it is regulated by exposing our eyes, the retina, and the skin cells, the blood vessels, the white fat under the skin. It's regulated by the light during the day so that the cells will work according to its daily program to produce the hormone. In the morning, it will produce cortisol hormone and the adrenaline and noradrenaline, and also it will raise the body temperature. But then we will be exposed to UVA, ultraviolet A, which will also act on the mitochondria in the cell, which are the energy sites in the mitochondria and produce the hormone. Then UVB, which will produce vitamin D, and also it will activate the POMC axis, which is a pro-opioid melanocortin, which will secrete cortisone as well as alpha melanocyte stimulating hormone. Alpha melanocyte stimulating hormone, which will cause the brown pigmentation, as well as it will regulate the hormone for appetite and hunger. So exposure to sunlight during the day, it will regulate our appetite, and we might also don't need so much food during the day. Now it is sunset, and this is the time which we have to wind down and go to sleep. We should not expose our retina to the artificial light, which is blue light, the blue light which comes from the mobile and the LED, as well as the computers, iPads, and all the screens. The light in the LED, it is all a blue light and there is no red light. The old light in the past, it contained red light and cause heat. Now the LED new lights, they are artificial light and they conserve energy, but they are unhealthy for our body. In the night, we should expose ourselves and our brain to complete darkness. During the night, the brain will be shampooed and washed by the cerebrospinal fluid, which is found in the cavities, which is called ventricles inside the brain. And this cerebrospinal fluid will wash the brain from the metabolites, and especially the protein, which is produced by its action during the day. This amyloid B, which will be accumulated if we don't sleep during the night in the darkness, and if we are awake most of the nights and then sleep during the day, in 30 years time we will be dementia and Alzheimer. So those people who are doing night shifts and also who are not sleeping during the night, they will be metabolically unhealthy, and I will assure you they will have all metabolic diseases, diabetes, obesity, autoimmune diseases, high blood pressure, and all the diseases, even cancer. Why? Because the cells will be in chaos. The cells are working according to built-in programs. The cells, they have their own programs which evolved through billions of years by the sunlight. Sunlight is so important to expose ourselves during the sunshine in the morning as well as during the day, and between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. to UVB to produce vitamin D, which we consider as hormone. Why it is hormone? Because it is produced by the skin from cholesterol. It is produced by the body. Vitamin, they are not produced by the body and they should be taken orally. But recently we discovered that some vitamins are produced by the bacteria inside the colon, like vitamin B12, vitamin K1, and short-chain fatty acid, which is not vitamin. So now we are learning that the microbiome in the gut will produce vitamins for us, the bacteria, which are essential for our health, the health of our nervous system, the brain, the nervous system, the mood, the immune system, and the health of every cell in our body. So now it is night. We have to relax and go to sleep. And don't expose ourselves to the artificial blue light. Why? Because the brain will be confused and then it will think it is daytime, and this will affect our health. I wish you good health and good understanding, and subscribe to the channel so that I will be motivated to make more videos for you. And thank you very much for your reviewing the video of this morning, and I'm very grateful. Good night and sleep tight. Goodbye.